If you're wanting to shiny hunt to get yourself a Shiny Mareanie and a Shiny Toxapex, then you have come to the right place. This is a super easy isolated shiny hunt to get you both those, no problem. Great pink shiny, let's hop in. As always, make sure your autosaves are turned to off, and then we are going to back out and lay down a hard save, and then get to building our sandwich. All right, we're going to get a poison sandwich, all level 3. Using the rice drop method, we're gonna do 1 rice, 1 ketchup, and 1 marmalade. Then down here, grab 2 salties. That is all you need. You don't even need to put the rice on. If you want to do this without using up any Herba Mystica, I do have a full video on that. Card is up here right above my head. And for this though, we're just gonna drop the rice, drop the bread, put the pick in. This does use up the 2 Herba Mystica, but look how quick that sandwich was. It took us, what was that, 3 seconds? And yeah, pretty easy. So easy. Ding, ding, ding. 1, 2, 3. Level 3, level 3, level 3. Let's get hunting. All right, super easy. You're just in the normal old Paldean map, and you're gonna come over here kind of to Levincia, just south. There's this one peninsula beach. Here's Levincia South, but I like flying to this East Province Watchtower from Area 1, if you have it unlocked. So here from the Watchtower, if you decide to come over this way, we're just gonna come over this ledge, jump off, and glide on down. If you wanna fly, you can, but it's so close. Just here south of Levincia South. And this little peninsula, baby little peninsula, we're gonna just drop on down. And with that poison sandwich active, this beach should be pretty much all Mareanies. If you watched my AI lock, you know how much I love this little duder now. If you didn't, I have never used Toxapex until that AI lock, and it became the MVP of the team without doubt. You can watch that at the card above if you want to. But anyways, because it is now one of my top favorite Pokemon, it is finally time for me to get it shiny. In my testing, the triangle method of just kind of going and making a triangle around this island is really good at spawning and despawning them. You're looking for a pink Mareanie, so it's really gonna stand out from the rest. But I think I am going to prefer the picnic method, which I found if you come over to these three trees here on the kind of south side of the peninsula, you get a pretty good view with none being stuck behind the hill or anything, and this is the spot to picnic reset. So I'm gonna lay down let's go back just a little bit. There's the tree. I'm just seeing that Buizel, so I want as few Buizels and Magikarps spawning in as possible. So I'm gonna lay down a picnic and start hunting for one of my new favorite Pokemon all around, Mareanie and Toxapex. Hey, there we go. All right, first one. First one right over here. Let's go ahead and lay down a save. We're gonna encounter this cute little, but you're a girl. Encounter this cute little girl. That was a long throw. All right, let's catch it. All right, down to 1 HP. Premier Ball, as always for me. Got it asleep. Love it. Come on, give me that jiggle. We got the jiggle. We got our first Shiny Mareanie. Let's see how much time that took. That was, all right, that was basically, what, 7 minutes? Probably, well, less than 7 minutes to get to it. So I'm gonna go back and definitely work on getting a second one. Back to picnic resets. Oh, that's like in the exact same spot. How much time? Oh, wrong button, wrong button. How much time was that? Like, what was that? 2.5, 3 more minutes? Exact same spot. Sun setting, so you can tell it is a different one. And there's the one I already caught in my box. But save, and let's catch another one from the exact same spot. Another girl. That's bizarre. No, not you. I want you. Nope. Nope. You. I want you. There we go. All right, let's catch this. Well, it just woke up, but I'm pretty sure the Premier Ball's gonna get it anyways, because we're down at level 20s and level 21s, and there we get the jiggle. Levincia looks so much better tonight. And we catch it. Sweet. Awesome. Now we can evolve one of these bad girls up. All right, we have to get this little girl up to level 38. So I'm guessing 5 will be pretty close or perfect. Cool. All right. And let's get that little shiny pink girl up to a big shiny pink girl. There she is. The champion, the legend, the descendant of our very own pineapple. There you have it. 2 pink, awesome shiny girls. I love both of these Pokemon so much now. Like I said, I only recently fell in love with this Pokemon, but I'm so happy to have both of them shiny now. I hope that this hunt has been super successful for you and you're able to get both of them shiny in a sandwich, or maybe 2 sandwiches. It doesn't really matter as long as you get them shiny eventually. It's a super fun location to hunt. And let me know how long it took you. Hit that thumbs up button if this was helpful. Comment down below who else you would like me to make a video on. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Hit that subscribe. All right, see you later. Peace.